Hey everyone, it's Click How. Today I am going to show you how to use Mail Merge in Microsoft Word to send personalized emails or letters to multiple people at once. First, prepare your Excel file. Open Excel and create a spreadsheet with column headers in the first row, like first name, last name, email. Put one recipient per row and make sure there are no blank rows. Save and close the file. Now open Word and compose your message, the email or letter you want to send. Leave placeholders where you want personalized info, like Dear First Name. Go to the Mailings tab at the top of Word. Click Start Mail Merge and choose Letters if you are printing, or emails mail messages if you are sending through Outlook. Click Select Recipients and choose Use an existing list. Browse to find your Excel file, select it, and click OK. Now insert your merge fields. Click where you want a placeholder, then click Insert Merge Field. Choose the column name you want, like first name. Do this for each field you need. Click Preview Results to see how it looks. Use the left and right arrows to scroll through recipients and make sure everything is correct. Finally, click Finish and Merge. If you did letters, choose Edit Individual Documents, then Print. If you did email, choose Send Email Messages. Select your email column, add a subject line, and click OK. Make sure Outlook is open before you start. One important thing to know, Mail Merge only works in the desktop version of Word, not the web app. And if you are on Windows, the new Outlook doesn't support it. Switch back to classic Outlook first. A quick tip. Send a test email to yourself first by adding your own email to the Excel list and selecting only yours before merging. This lets you check the formatting before sending to everyone. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.